Hey guys, welcome back. I'm starting a summer Cricut projects series on my channel. I did a poll on Instagram asking if it should be a series or all in one video, and 80% voted for a series. I'm starting it off with personalizing an insulated skinny can cooler. I love the glitter on this. It's even prettier in person. I'll link where I found it in the description box. They have lots of fun colors. These work for slim beers and hard seltzers. I'm in Cricut Design Space and I'm going to grab my font that I'm going to be putting on my can koozie. I'm going to click on text and the font I'm using is Pretty Hardy. I downloaded this from dafont.com, which is where I get like 99% of my fonts. So I'll select that. Now I'm just going to double click in here and I am going to type in my name. I thought this font was really pretty. So I measured my can and I decided I wanted to make it 4 inches for the width. So I am just going to come up to my width and type in 4 and hit enter. To figure out my measurements, I just grab a measuring tape and I figure out where I want my vinyl to be on whatever blank I'm using, and then I measure that space. I usually go with width, but sometimes I go with the height too. And whichever one I go with, I just let it automatically adjust. So I decided that 4 inches was perfect for the width, and I just let it automatically adjust for the height. This vinyl is going to be white vinyl. I'm not going to change it because I'm only using one color, so you don't even have to bother with that. But now I'm ready to click Make It. Normally with adhesive vinyl, I would just select vinyl and it cuts it out really well. But if you look at this font, there's some really thin pieces to it. So I'm gonna select washi sheet setting, and that usually works so well for these thinner fonts. The Cricut will cut it out, and I'm using Oracal 651 vinyl, which is permanent vinyl. I've used this for years, and if you watch my channel, you know that this is my go-to. Here I'm weeding out the vinyl, and I'm actually taking out the pieces from the inside of the letters first, and I find that is helpful. Also, I'm using my pen tool. I rarely use my Cricut weeding tool anymore because the pen works so well. I wanted to share this transfer tape that I recently purchased. I was looking for a new clear transfer tape to use, and I absolutely love this. It's Caesar brand, which I love that brand, and I like that it's clear and it has the grid lines on it, and it just easily picks up the vinyl, and you can easily take the transfer tape off as well. So I would highly recommend this. I will link it down in my description box if you're looking for a good transfer tape. Next, I'm going to spray some rubbing alcohol over the can. This just cleans it and it helps the vinyl adhere to it longer and last longer. I also put my rubbing alcohol in that glass spray bottle, and it's just super cute and makes it really easy. Next, I just add my clear transfer tape to my vinyl. Then I use my scraper tool to scrape down the front and the back. The back is key because that's what really helps adhere that vinyl to the transfer tape. Another thing that helps is you'll want to remove the backing, and that also helps keep that vinyl down onto the transfer tape. Then I line this up on my can. I love the lines on the transfer tape because it helps me get this straight and centered correctly. I press the vinyl down, then I remove the transfer tape. Also, this towel worked really well to set my can on so it wasn't rolling around. Look how cute this looks. These are so perfect to personalize. They'd be great to make for yourself, but they would also be perfect for bachelorette parties, bridesmaids gifts, girls' weekends. You'll want to also make sure to hand wash these. And I grabbed 2 slim drinks that I had, and I decided to test it out. You'll want to make sure to remove the top. I didn't do that at first, and I thought that they didn't fit, but they actually fit in here perfectly. Make sure to watch out for my other videos that will be part of my Cricut summer projects, and all of those will be coming really soon. And I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel if you are new.